Hello everyone, welcome to Archie's World. I want to share my world's best and simplest aloo gobi recipe today with you. So I've taken half onion and 3 pieces of garlic. Gobi is washed in hot water, make sure you do that. And make sure you chop them in a big size. Otherwise, by the time you finish the cooking, gobi will become halwa. And here we have aloo and a little bit of butter also for a variation. Now for this first step, we are taking a pan. But before there is one more minor step, but please switch on the gas. Make sure you do that. I'm adding soya bean oil here. You can use any oil which suits you. Maybe mustard oil is a good combination. Preferably little extra oil, otherwise it will become gassy. And I'm showing you my masala ka dabba here. Please excuse the salt. And now I'm waiting for oil to get heat up. Just check with the hands. You will feel the heat on the hand. Now pour a little bit of jeera in it, the cumin seed, and it should come up immediately. This is behaving like a sloth, so we will have to wait a little bit more. And now the oil is ready. I have put jeera in it. Use a little more extra amount, that will give a nice good flavor. My onions and garlic are ready to go in. We don't want to make this brown, so we will saute onion and garlic for about say 30 to 40 seconds only. Now best remedy to make aloo gobi is to cook in kadhai or like this open pan. And keep mixing every 2 to 3 minutes and then keep covering. If you cook that in a cooker, that wouldn't give you a good taste and that'll feel like a very boiled aloo gobi. So here I'm adding aloo and mother first because aloo takes a little longer to cook. So we want to cook this for say 40 to 50%. And make it a little brown by mixing it again and again, as I said. So let's do that first. And we will cover it and keep it for 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll keep mixing it in between again and again. So I think now we are ready to add gobi. I've added gobi, and now without adding any masala, I want to mix them well all together. I'm looking for that mild brown color on gobi and aloo. So let's have medium flame and let's keep mixing all together. Remember, the key is to keep mixing, keep covering and keep mixing every 2 to 3 minutes until you get the nice mild brown color. So now I'm adding haldi, turmeric, maybe a half spoon, red chili powder. I like my gobi too little spicy, so I'm adding a little extra. You can also add green chili. I don't eat green chili, so I'm not adding. Coriander powder, dhania powder, very little just for the taste. And a little bit of salt according to your taste. So for masala, only this much. I don't like adding garam masala or kitchen king masala in aloo gobi. I feel that ruins the original taste of aloo gobi. So less is more for world's best aloo gobi. So I have mixed them well together. And I am adding about 2 to 3 spoons of water. just so that masalas get mixed well and especially the mutter doesn't get burnt. So after covering again, I am mixing that and checking if aloo is ready. So I either like to break with a spatula like this. This is almost cooked. Or you can check with a knife and just poke it here and there and see if this can break aloo or gobi. And this is almost done, and I want to add coriander leaves now, dhania patta. And this is again optional, but I'm making video for the first time, so I have to do this, right? Here, so our dish is ready. I'm eating this with khichdi and curd today. I know it's a weird combination, but it is healthy. And I like to pray before I eat, for every meal, thanking God for giving me healthy and tasty food. And I wish everybody in the world gets healthy and tasty food every day. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Take care.